Hey you, don't you miss a train? But I like to say in case that you can understand to you that I can be a friend. Too much patience and relation is killing me again. So I do, then you can kiss me the bride. I can pass it away. You too is loving me again, and I don't care about honey. Do you care about holiday? Are you another fucking girl who never let you go away and just to let it run? And I knew that it was a mistake. The lack of affections created me to take you for something real sexual. You might understand that nothing real special. Hey you. Hey you, 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 girl. Nothing ever sexual and you're killing me again. But I don't want to say you're strong, and if you love me strong, I don't dancing around and the tails don't fly. The feel alright, I'm not a man, girl. You'll never try them, you go. And you go. You're nothing, I just want to see about you. So stepping around and grabbing too. Hey you, come on again, wait, straight, wait again. And now I'm gone.